Why Soursop tea should be your daily ritual, benefits and recipe. Imagine a single cup of tea that could transform your health, helping you fight off illnesses, boost your immune system, and even combat serious conditions like cancer. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's not. Soursop tea, a traditional remedy from the tropics, is gaining attention for its remarkable health benefits. But why should you make it a part of your daily routine? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to reveal why Soursop tea could be the game changer your health has been waiting for. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Soursop tea. You'll learn about its impressive health benefits, all backed by science, and why this simple drink deserves a spot in your daily ritual. We'll walk through the easy steps to make the perfect cup of Soursop tea and discuss the best times to drink it for maximum impact. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to prepare this powerful tea, but also understand how it can significantly improve your health. So make sure you watch until the end to get the full scoop on why Soursop tea should be part of your daily routine. What is Soursop tea, and why is it so powerful? First things first, what exactly is Soursop tea and why is it so special? Soursop, also known as graviola or guanabana, is a tropical fruit native to regions like the Caribbean, Central America, and parts of South America. The fruit itself is delicious, but it's the leaves of the soursop tree that we're focusing on today. These leaves are packed with potent compounds that offer a multitude of health benefits, making Soursop tea a powerful natural remedy. The leaves of the soursop tree are rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your cells from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. But what makes Soursop tea truly stand out is its potential in cancer prevention. The acetogenins found in soursop leaves have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making it a subject of interest in cancer research. These findings suggest that Soursop tea could play a role in supporting your body's defenses against certain types of cancer, though more research is needed to fully understand its impact. The health benefits of Soursop tea. Let's break down some of the key health benefits of Soursop tea, which make it a powerful addition to your daily routine. 1. Boosts immune system. Soursop tea is a remarkable natural remedy for boosting your immune system, making it a must-have in your daily routine. Rich in vitamin C and potent antioxidants, Soursop tea works to enhance your body's defenses, helping you fend off infections and illnesses with greater efficiency. These powerful compounds not only protect your cells from oxidative stress, but also bolster your immune response, making you more resilient against common ailments. By incorporating Soursop tea into your daily life, you can enjoy an extra layer of protection, especially during cold and flu season, ensuring you stay healthier and more vibrant year-round. 2. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to numerous serious health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. This persistent, low-level inflammation can silently damage your body over time, leading to the development of these life-threatening diseases. Soursop tea, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, offers a natural and effective way to combat this hidden danger. By reducing inflammation within your body, Soursop tea may help lower your risk of developing these chronic conditions. Incorporating this powerful tea into your daily routine is a simple yet impactful step towards protecting your long-term health, offering a natural defense against the harmful effects of chronic inflammation. 3. Supports digestive health. If you've ever dealt with digestive discomfort such as indigestion, bloating, or constipation, Soursop tea could become your go-to remedy. Renowned for its soothing effects on the digestive system, this tea can provide much-needed relief from these common issues. Soursop tea not only eases the discomfort of digestive troubles, but also supports overall gut health with its natural antibacterial properties. These properties help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for optimal digestion and overall wellness. By incorporating soursop tea into your daily routine, you can enjoy a more comfortable digestive experience and promote long-term digestive health naturally. 4. Promotes better sleep. Do you find yourself struggling to get a good night's sleep? Whether it's trouble falling asleep or waking up frequently during the night, soursop tea might be the natural solution you need. The leaves of the soursop tree possess natural sedative properties that help calm your mind and body, making it easier to relax and drift off into sleep. By incorporating a cup of soursop tea into your nightly routine, you can promote deeper, more restful sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. This simple, soothing remedy could be the key to finally getting the restorative sleep your body craves. 5th, potential role in cancer prevention. One of the most fascinating benefits of soursop tea is its potential role in cancer prevention. The leaves of the soursop tree contain acetogenins, natural compounds that have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. This has led to significant interest in the scientific community, making soursop tea a subject of ongoing cancer research. Although more studies are needed to fully understand its effects, these promising findings suggest that soursop tea could serve as a natural ally in supporting your body's defenses against cancer. Incorporating soursop tea into your daily routine might provide an additional layer of protection, offering a natural way to boost your overall health. How to make soursop tea, a simple recipe. Now that you understand why soursop tea is so beneficial, let's move on to how you can make it at home. The process is simple, quick, and requires only a few ingredients. Ingredients: 3 to 5 fresh or dried soursop leaves, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon, optional for taste. Instructions: boil the water. Start by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Add soursop leaves. Once the water is boiling, add the soursop leaves. If you're using fresh leaves, make sure to rinse them thoroughly before adding them to the water. Simmer. Reduce the heat and let the leaves simmer in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds in the leaves to infuse into the water, creating a potent brew. Strain the tea. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and strain the tea to remove the leaves. Add flavor, optional. You can add honey or lemon to taste if you prefer a sweeter or tangier flavor. Both options complement the tea's natural taste and add their own health benefits. Enjoy. Pour the tea into a cup and enjoy the soothing, health-boosting effects of soursop tea. Make it a daily habit, and you'll start to notice the benefits over time. You've just learned how to make this powerful tea, but there's more to uncover. Did you know that the timing of when you drink soursop tea can influence its effectiveness? In the next part of this video, we'll explore the best times of day to drink soursop tea for different health benefits. Keep watching to learn how to maximize the impact of your daily cup of soursop tea. Have you tried soursop tea before? What changes did you notice in your health? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who could benefit from this powerful natural remedy. And if you're interested in more health tips and natural remedies, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's a surprising fact that might catch you off guard. While soursop tea is fantastic for your health, it's also an excellent aid for relaxation and stress relief. The natural sedative properties of soursop leaves make this tea an ideal drink to help you unwind after a long day. But here's the twist. Did you know that soursop tea can also assist with weight management? The compounds in soursop leaves can help regulate your metabolism and reduce cravings, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. So not only can you improve your overall health with Soursop tea, but you can also support your weight loss goals, 1 cup at a time. Let's recap what we've covered in today's video. Soursop tea is a powerful natural remedy that offers a wide range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation to supporting digestive health and improving sleep. It even has potential anti-cancer properties. Making Soursop tea at home is simple and requires just a few ingredients. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your health. Now, it's time to take action. I challenge you to make Soursop tea a part of your daily ritual for the next week and see how it affects your health. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, sleep better, or simply enjoy a delicious and healthy drink, Soursop tea has something to offer. Once you've tried it, come back and share your results in the comments. I'm excited to hear how Soursop tea works for you. Try making Soursop tea today and experience the benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Together, we can embrace healthier, more vibrant lives with simple, natural remedies like Soursop tea. Cheers to your health!